Hello, welcome to 2020, welcome to Creativation, and welcome to our Hero Arts new catalog. We're very excited to offer something new for the year. It's been a great year last year with color layering and with many of our new releases, and we're looking to continue that again this year for 2020. We have a whole new collection of products that I'd love to show you. We've got a new Misty tool, we've got new clear stamps, new dies, new cling, and let me just take you through a little tour of what we have new in our 2020 catalog that you can see on HeroArts.com. At Hero Arts, my wife leads our design team who have been working tirelessly for the last few months to bring you designs new for 2020. We've extended some of the popular designs and added new ones. This is our Peekaboo collection, if you haven't tried it. For Christmas, we had the Advent calendar look where you used one stamp and one die and created a card with opening Peekaboo windows. And we've added a new collection of cling that work with the same die, as well as clear sets in a 6x8 format that not only have the large stamp, but also all the little images that you can use within the Peekaboo windows. So this is a really fun technique, and it's something that works great with our reactive inks. It works with our other stamps, and it's a way to really get into kind of your designs and diversify with different techniques, different ways, and different styles of using the same stamp. Another fun thing that we came out with that's new in 2020 is color layering in a new format. We call these Heroscapes because we had to give them a fun name. Color layering is, something that you know, but Heroscapes is something that basically is around a landscape like a lavender field or a field of flowers or a field of wheat, and you can add many different color combinations given that you have many layers to work with, and then appoint that with an airplane or with a balloon or with your favorite messages to really give it a wonderful look. It works ideal too with our new pigment inks as well as our hybrids and our dye inks, and of course Hero Arts papers can top that off, or any papers from your craft room. So color layering is now extended for 2020 into Heroscapes. If you're excited about Hero Arts, you can subscribe to our monthly kit, as we have monthly releases that come out every month of the year, in addition to our core catalogs that come out in January, in April, and in July. Monthly releases generally feature 12 stamps, mix of wood, mix of clear, mix of dyes, often some accessories, and they have different themes like earth themes or holiday themes for Christmas, or who knows what's coming in February. Come to HeroArts.com to find out. We also have an extension of a lot of our exciting products from 2019, including fancy dies. Fancy dies are something that you don't need to use with stamps, but of course you can if you'd like. They cut out windows or they cut out whole cards, and they are a great way to add layering, add technique, add dimension to your card making. And the fancy die collection from beach to fish pond, from kind of hearts to jungle, is something that is usable all year in all your crafts. At 2020 Creativation, we brought the Stamping Village once again to the industry, and this is something that's very exciting for a lot of us vendors because we get to come together, work together, and really be friends instead of competitors, and that also goes to product. We've created some collaborative products like Hero Arts and Gina K, Hero Arts and Alt New, Hero Arts and Lawn Fawn, so that you, in your craft room, don't have to pick between one brand or another, because I know you don't. Why not use all the designs that are your favorites? But instead we have these co-branded products that allow you to kind of really share the love between different vendors that you like and find creative. And then for the Village, all 12 vendors put together a happy birthday set. And this is something where each of the 12 put their take on what birthday is and gave you a special stamp just for that birthday sentiment. This is available on thestampingvillage.com, and the rest of the products, as always, are available at HeroArts.com, a store near you, or many stores online. Thank you so much.